So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Tron, ticker symbol TRX, on Kraken. So once you open up Kraken, go to the bottom bar and press on the Explore icon. Then go to the top and press on Search. Once you're here, type in at ticker symbol TRX. At the top it says Tron, press on that. Just press on it. Sorry, bear with me. It's not actually working. There we go. Once you're here, go to the bottom, press on Buy TRX. Then type in the amount you're looking to buy. So for this example, I'll type in 1250, which is the minimum purchase. And if all looks good, press on the purple arrow on the right. Then on this page, you can review the amount, the price, the fee, the total. And if you want to proceed with the transaction, all looks good to you, check the I understand, and then press on confirm to proceed that way. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Tron, ticker symbol TRX on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.